iconic lifestyle destination, a symbol of New Age living. Presenting Merlin Rise, Phase 2. We have G plus 27 of 9 lifestyle towers. Let me show you, we have 1 lakh square feet of podium. This is the podium you are facing at. On my right, we have the road towards Rajarhat Chomatha. We have 2,358 apartments in this project, exclusive 2 BHK, 3 BHK affordable housing setting. Additionally, we have only 75% open area, and that is very beneficial for the airy living and lifestyle which gives you immense pleasure and happiness. We have Yuvraj Singh Cricket Academy in this project, as well as Ronaldinho Football Art and Academy. We have a G plus 4 clubhouse over here. Clubhouse with the best amenities facility here in this North Kolkata project in Rajarhat. Book your site visit now. Call us in the number given in the description below. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. This is me, Rajarhat, your real estate advisor, and signing off. Take care.